Hello everybody, Levi Clay here, and surprise surprise, I'm not happy again. And this time through no fault of my own. You know, Guitar Pro 7 came out, and actually my most popular video now is a video where Guitar Pro 7 came out and I said, should you buy it? No, not right now. Because it was in a bad state. I didn't run into all that many problems with it. There were just things that needed to be implemented that weren't implemented. And that pissed me off. It pissed me off the fact that my time had been donated to these people to tell them the things that they needed to fix in their program to bring it up to an acceptable standard. And they didn't address a lot of those things. Now, they have patched the program since, and some of those features have been implemented, which obviously I appreciate massively. But in the latest patch, I've found some problems. Not problems that you'd think, oh, you can live with that. Things that make absolutely no sense and stop me from being able to do my job. Your software is now broken in a professional context. Would you like to have a look at this shower of shit? Okay, so here's a job that I'm working on for a client. Nice guy wants me to transcribe his entire album. It's a lot of work, and he wants to print this stuff. Great, cool. So obviously still need to work on layout stuff. In fact, there's a lot of work that needs to go into this. But let's address the issues, shall we? We're just looking through the piece here, and I'm looking at the notation, because the tab obviously works fine, but if it doesn't display correctly in the notation, it makes you look like a fucking amateur. So here you can see the note C sharp. This note ties across the middle of the bar to here. Wonderful. C sharp. So why is the notation showing a C natural? Why? Why is this happening? You think, oh, it's alright, Levi, it must just be a bug in the program. Don't worry about it. Delete that. Tie it across again. Oh look, still a C natural. It plays as a C sharp. The program knows it's a C sharp. Doesn't change, doesn't do this. How bizarre is that? I can actually I can actually put the 4th fret note in and it displays correctly. C sharp. The moment you tie it, C natural. And you think, oh, maybe that's just a weird bug that they need to patch out. Okay, then why doesn't it happen here? The exact same thing. C sharp on the and of 2, tying across the beat into beat 3, but this time everything looks fine, displays correctly. What the hell is going on here? What? Did a monkey program this? I cannot understand how you fuck something up this much. And okay, you go, Levi, it's not that big a deal. I mean, for 90% of people that are going to use this program, you're absolutely right, it's not a big deal. But it does put me in a position where I cannot submit work to people because this is unacceptable. Someone would look at this and go, that's a mistake, you need to fix that. And my only response to them is, I can't. There's nothing I can do about it. I cannot fix it. I'm sorry, I know how to do my job, but someone else is stopping me from doing it. And it gets worse. I mean, as you scroll through, you'll see things like this. See this note here, this F sharp, bar 26. That's tied across from this note, and it plays. Ties across, great, cool. You can tell that it's tied because there's a bracket. That's the only way you can tell it's tied, though, because for some fucking reason there is no tie mark in the notation. There's a tie mark there between a bar. They can handle it there. But no tie there. No, you don't need that, Levi. You'll be alright without that. What are you fucking playing at? You are beyond incompetent at this stage. You have taken a program that functioned and you have now put it in a place where it does not work for people. I am absolutely speechless at how you fuck something up that badly. Do you not have people testing your patches? Are there not people that you can send things to that can test these things to see if these problems are happening? Is anybody else out there having a similar problem? I know a friend of mine, Jens Larsen, was having this problem when importing other files. So importing a GP6 or GPX. you are having this problem. And I thought, well, that's very strange. Let me see if I have the same problem as he does. So I wrote out the example that he had, and I didn't run into that problem of notes not tying across bars and things. It displayed absolutely fine. And I saw a few people have this problem, but I said to them, I've not run into this problem. It's not happened to me. Now it's happening all the time, and it is ruining my fucking day. Sort your shit out.